Here's an update from the one above. Skyline by Candeur, the tallest skyscraper of South India, standing tall at 59 floors in the financial district. Luxury residences ranging from 6,520 to 11,999 square feet, and 13 feet high ceilings that make every space feel truly elevated. Anchored by a clubhouse of over 60,000 square feet, built as an oasis of refinement. Wellness, leisure, and social spaces layered across levels is taking shape step by step to become your portfolio home. Now, a detailed site update.